Up for sale, I got a real cool 1963 Ford F100 pickup. It's a custom cab, factory V8, finished in a nice burgundy color with a custom interior, gray with black. It currently sits on its original frame that is painted beautifully with the, it's a 289 Mustang motor with the, it's an 85 Mustang motor with the 85 Mustang suspension, transmission. So it drives and handles like an 85 Mustang. It's beautiful. It handles excellent. It drives excellent. It has power steering, four-wheel power disc brakes, brand new wheels, cover, tilt steering wheel. I'll walk around. I'll show you more about it, tell you more about it as I go. And if you like the video, leave a thumbs up. Helps me out. I appreciate it. And subscribe to the YouTube channel as well. Thank you. And here we go. So like I said, 63 F100, it was actually a special order truck. A guy that does a lot of work for me is a Ford mechanic, only on Fords, nothing else. And he was looking at the coding and he said that it was a special order truck. It had more digits. Apparently they came with two. I'll point it out when I get to the tag, but came with two, and this was like a multi-number, which represents it being special order. I got a little scratch right here rubbed up against something. Of course, that could be touched up. Brand new tires and wheels. Truck fires right up. A couple of pumps of gas like you do on every carbureted car after sitting. First try, boom. Every single time. Now, of course, it is because it's an 85, so, you know, it's a little more modern compared to what a 63 would come with. Nicely painted doors to match, nice black carpet, the black and gray bench seat like I was saying, nicely painted dash, radio, GT steering wheel, shifter. It is an automatic, I did not say that, but it is. Real straight body, all steel. Oh, here's the chip right there. That's been touched up. Another little, kind of like a little nick right there. Real straight body though, I'll show you. Yeah. Chrome is excellent. It's got dual exhaust, so it sounds real good. I'll drop the bed. You got the nice bed cover. Nice bed. Has a bed mat. There is no rust anywhere on the body, on the bed. Like I said, the undercarriage is painted and detailed beautifully. From what I can see, there is no rust. But it's a real clean truck. It drives awesome because of all the upgrades that it has. And there is a scratch, almost like something was, it drove into something and it just kind of scraped a little bit, but it just like peeled like a quick layer of the paint off. It starts here and it goes there. But quite honestly, it's not very noticeable unless you're like, your nose is right up on it. It just kind of blends in. You think it's part of the design. Truck will be for sale later today on my website, nextgenclassiccars.com and eBay. Both links to both stores will be in the description. It has nice glass, excellent chrome. The only little bit of rust on the car is there's a little surface rust that's bubbling up right there, but other than that, nothing else. Which can be fixed, of course. And then the last mark on the car is a bigger bump into something right there, and it's touched up. And Of course, it is drizzling as I'm doing this video. The body's real straight. Nice paint. Custom interior on the 85 Mustang drivetrain with the suspension. Handles excellent. 4-wheel power disc brakes, power steering. It's an automatic, like I said. Awesome truck, real awesome truck. Kind of like a street rod. But thanks for watching. I appreciate it. I'm gonna fire it up. We'll take it around the block. You can see it drive, listen to it, and there you go. Thank you. You got the turn signal on.
Take it to Navi.